Hi there, Solomon here from CTM. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Astina white front flush toilet suite. Just take a look at that. Now the nice thing about this toilet suite is that it's made out of ceramic and features a durable wooden seat, ensuring that you've got longevity in your space. It's also generously sized and the front flush makes it nice and easy for any young ones to be able to actually use the toilet as well. Now the toilet comes fully equipped with the mechanism ready for installation as well. And the whole toilet suite is backed by a 10-year warranty for your peace of mind. So, if you feel like this is the perfect toilet for your space, then simply click that add to cart button and get this toilet suite delivered straight to your doorstep.